Now, can you hear me right? You can hear me right?
Sir.
Yes, yes.
So what we thought was to complete the Lightning experience customization. So how to set up your org for the Lightning experience and how to create and customize the Lightning apps, then create and customize our own list views, then customize some record highlights. What are record highlights? So those all in the WhatsApp, I have shared few links. These all we covered. If you remember, these all we covered for almost 3 to 4 days. Uh, these all concepts. So have you gone through the videos which I shared?
Yeah, I have gone through the videos, but I'm getting some trouble in like customized record highlights with compact layout.
Here, this
Hmm.
one. Okay, let's see that. So you didn't understand the concept, or you are facing the challenge when completing the exercise?
Actually, I have understood that I did also, but
Hmm.
somewhere it is showing that the compact layout for the given will be not correct. This one I have completed. Maybe next one, next task.
Mhm. This one.
Hmm.
Oh, this is the record page components.
Yeah, in the next task, the problem comes is
Hmm. Your voice is breaking, Harni. Hello, Harmit. Can you hear me? Hello.
You are audible.
Okay. So here you are facing the issue, Harmit.
Yeah,
Customize the
in
record
this
page
one, yeah.
components. Okay. Where are you facing the issue? Can you share your screen if possible?
After doing whole one, in the
Mm-hmm.
last they are showing that the result it's
This one.
showing a red. It's showing a red mark.
Okay, red mark is something there will be a error.
That only it
Can
is
you
showing.
show me the error?
Uh,
Karthik, you are also facing the same issue.
Sir, did you call me?
Yeah. I think you are also facing the same issue, right?
Yes, sir.
Only this challenge only, customize the record page and components.
Yeah, only yes, sir. Only this.
Okay. What is the error you are seeing? You
Uh, I can't find this burning evolution.
can't?
I can't get this burning evolution is there, no, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this Burlington evolution.
Hmm.
This I can't find. Hmm.
Okay. You can't find this one.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. 1 second. This one you can find, right?
Yeah, sir. This again.
Because I think you haven't created this one. You have to come step by step. Can you share your screen?
This one.
This challenge you completed, right? This one you completed? Harmit, you sharing your screen? Sirisha, I think you completed, right? This one? Sirisha? Hello. Mhm. What happened, Satvik? Can you hear me? Satvik,
Yeah, yes.
I think you didn't complete this exercise. You have skipped this exercise.
Yeah, no, sir.
Huh?
No, I didn't complete.
Then how can you find that here? If- When you start a module, each and every step is important. Each and every step.
Yeah, this all I completed, sir. Just
Yeah.
customize record page and that only I left. I think.
Yeah, this one. This is nothing but setting up your org. What is mean by setting up your org? When you are computing certain module, so prior to that, we have some accounts, some settings, some objects. That we have to set up. So without this, if you start the challenge, then there is no use. Okay,
Okay.
got it?
Yes, sir. Sir, I
Harmit?
think I already
Hmm.
accept only that topic, lighting experience, components and fields. Only that topic only I have to complete. Remaining all I completed.
Okay. Harmit, what about you?
Actually, I'm facing some problem in this one only, customize record page with component layout. Once again, I'll do. If I'll get any problem, then I'll
Just
come to
you
you.
post that error in the channel.
Okay. Okay.
Then
Okay.
I can see that error.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. No problem.
Okay. So is there any questions? Is there any doubts in other topics of this one? Everyone completed quick actions, these buttons and quick action, these two sections? This is very important, quick action and button findings.
Actually, I got stuck in
Okay.
that only. Na. After that, I didn't completed anything.
Okay, okay. Okay, this have even this we have discussed in our classes. We already completed this topic. So please go to that, then complete this page layout. These all things are there, right? You complete those things. Okay.
Sir, will you please share this challenge in group?
No, this is the same module. This lightning experience customization only.
Okay. Okay.
In that, the last topic.
Okay.
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 Just to give me a minute. Karthik, did you see the video of mine teaching the data security?
Yeah, sir.
No, why?
Yeah, sir. I saw.
This one data security.
Yeah, I saw.
After that, did you complete the challenges in this? There are 5. Overview of data security, controlling access to the org, controlling access to objects.
I think 3 I completed, sir. Remaining 4 I will complete today.
Okay. Harmit, did you understand this role hierarchy? Then the profiles, roles, permission
Yes, sir.
sets?
I have completed all of this.
Okay. Okay. Harni, what about you?
Yeah, I also completed all.
Okay.
It's showing only 15 minutes and 25 minutes, but
Oh,
it will take
but it
lot
takes
of
half an hour
time.
to 1 hour.
Just it is showing this much. To understand it in a briefly, we will gonna compulsory. It will take 1 hour to
Yeah,
understand one point.
compulsory 1 hour. It's
Huh.
a complete 6 hours topic.
Like even I have a problem that whatever I will learn, I'll write notes along with any point will be there. So it is taking more for me to do. In detail, I'll write.
Okay. Okay. So there is a project actually. Okay. There's a project on this. Just on the data security. Complete this one. Okay. Everyone. If you complete the data security, then only touch it. Okay. There will be no explanation given. Just there will be a project and the task. Then we have to do that. The explanation, everything will be in the data security concept and data security module itself. Okay. See, creating a sharing rules, then creating org wide defaults and how to create a then there is some task related to role hierarchy, then create new users and allow a user to delete accounts. How we can do that? Restrict their login hours and IP ranges. This is the first section in the data module. So these all are there. Just it's like a project. Then please do that. Data modeling we have completed. Not now. Long back we have completed. I hope you remember this one. The relationships, schema builder, some standard objects and custom objects. I hope you
Yes.
remember these all things. So for the interview and for the exam perspective, this topic you have to complete. Let me show what is this one. See, what are the behaviors of a master data relationship? When you delete a child record, what happens to the parent record? And when you delete a parent record, what happens to the detail record? So what are the best practices when it comes to deleting or doing some operations? So these type of questions we will expect. Okay. What is many-to-many relationship? What is lookup relationship? You know. Then there are few important points that to be remembered when it comes to the lookup. When we'll use it, link two different objects, link an object with itself. We can link an object with itself or link two different objects. We can do that with the lookup relationship. So once you complete the data modeling, once again you complete the data modeling, then you complete this one. Okay. This is also like a key points that to be remembered. Then we started this one, Lightning experience customization. So we all are like about to complete this one. Few completed 4 sections, few completed 5 sections. So I want you to complete these all sections, which we already discussed. But as a revision, we are doing. Then customize the Salesforce object. This is important. Why this is important is these have different new things here. Working with some standard and custom fields. How we can do that? Creating a pick list. I hope you haven't created any pick list. So how to create a pick list and how to create field dependencies. What are lookup filters, formula fields. So it is also like a project only. Okay, this is also project only. This you do. If you face the issue, we will discuss. These all concepts we have seen. Formula fields, these all things. I hope we haven't created. We haven't touched the topic record types and record pages. Yes, right. So we haven't
Yes.
touched the
Yes,
concept
sir.
record types and record pages. So there are other things we have done, but in different projects or different objects. So go along with this flow till here. Then this and this we will discuss. Okay. You will understand when you complete these 4. Then you will understand the importance of record types and record pages. Okay. Validation rules we have completed already. Just revise that one. Okay. Formulas and validations you have completed, right? Did you remember?
Yeah,
No?
but this module we didn't complete.
This module. Okay.
Yeah, module. I think we didn't complete the module.
I think we completed. Advanced formulas. We started the topic advanced formulas. Okay. 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 Let me check it.
Share this URL in the group.
Okay. Let me share this URL in our chat. Sirisha and Harvind, you also check it if we have completed this or not. I hope we completed this one. Let's see.
I mean, the explanation part you have finished, but I think we didn't
Okay.
finish the
You mean we didn't complete the challenges?
yes.
Oh,
We
okay.
didn't complete. We didn't even.
Okay.
But the section on that it's started.
Okay. To talk about the advanced formula.
Yeah, we went through with the concept, but we didn't completed this one.
Yeah, I got that. So we completed this thing. I think we have also completed the roll-up summary fields as well. Okay,
So
no
roll up
problem.
also we have done.
Yeah. Roll-up also we have done. Create validation rule also we have done. I have
Yes.
explained that with the examples, like what is validation rule, what is the difference between the formula field and the validation rule. If validation rule, suppose if you are entering a account number only 4 digits, then it shows that it should be 8 digits, not 4 digits.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we have done this thing. So have a look at them, write a notes, because on these three topics, 2 questions are for sure. Okay, 2 questions, even in interview or even in an exam. Okay. Okay, good, Suresha. I think you have completed this one. I think that day you only shared the screen. Now, Lightning App Builder. Did you remember this topic? Custom home page, record page. Remember? No? We haven't done this thing, I think. Okay, let me check it. I hope we haven't done this one. But anyway, let me check. Record page, highlights, compact. No, we haven't done this. Compact layout assignment, proceeds, lighting experience customization. Yeah, we haven't done this one. This is the coding section. Coding topic. Okay. So we are at this point. If there is any new topic, then that is this one, Lightning App Builder. So have you ever opened this Lightning App Builder? In the Lightning experience customization, In the Lightning experience customization, I think you open the app builder. Did you remember this section? If you have done this one, then you may open the Lightning Experience App Manager, right? Then if you go to the app
Yes.
manager, then when you want to create a Lightning app, then if you click on the new Lightning app, so this topic directly came here. After the app, we are creating an app. Okay. Save and finish. Here there is no clear explanation. Yeah. So what is Lightning App Builder? We will start this topic today. Getting started with Lightning App Builder. You can hear me, right? Clearly?
Yes.
Okay. Try this one. There is no Lightning app here. Challenge. Let us go to the challenge. So what we're gonna do is, what is Lightning App Builder? So how can we create a Lightning app? What is app page? What is home page? What is record page? What is the difference between them? So we are going to see now. Okay. Let me open the Lightning App Builder now. So go to the settings and setup. So there is app manager. Then there is Lightning App Builder. Okay. When you want to build the Lightning app now, you have to click on Lightning App Builder. Then open that one. So just to click on this new. What this new do is it will open a like a what we say a tool for us, a toolkit kind of thing for us, where we'll get a first option to choose whether you want to build an app page, whether you want to build a home page, or whether you want to build a record page. So record page you can differentiate very easily, but differentiate between app page and home page is little different. So I'll show one by one. So we'll start with the app page. So if you see the app page, then whenever you open any of the app, suppose, so if you open this one, what you can see is, you can see a page, not this one. Okay, let me see if there is another app. Remove user. So if you see, there is a page, where we have some components, right? Let's understand what is page actually. When you open, when you click on this home, or when you click on this property explorer, property finder, if you open this one, you see different pages are coming for us. Web pages, like web page, we are getting different pages. So these pages will be of three types. One is app page, one is home page, record page. What is record page is, if you go on to any of the contact and click on the contact, this is called record page, where we have related content details. So like this. Okay. This is record page. This you can identify easily. And when it comes to home page and other pages, that is different. Okay, let us understand now. If you see about the app page, so creates a home page for third-party app that you can build directly into the Salesforce mobile app and Lightning Express navigation menus. That means you can build an app page in your for your computer as well as for your mobile. Okay, so that your users then have an app homepage where they can quickly access the most important objects and items. So if you go here into this one, can you see a recent records? So how can you see the recent records? This is a page where I have added the recent records component. This is called Lightning Web component. Then I can click on the user. So I can click on this some account. So few records I can access directly. Not on this record, I can access some other records as well. If I click on this edit, here edit, here setting, and this edit page. Okay, if I click on this edit page, again we will get a Lightning App Builder open for us for that page, and I can edit the page. Are you getting my point? So here I can edit the page. Then I can search for the other component. 1 second. List view. So I can create a list view, or let me now, instead of this one, let me have a rich text. Select a rich text. Hi, Kalyan. Save. Activate. Save. So if you again then go back, click on back. What happened? I edited this page. You can see here what? Hi, Kalyan. I added a new component. Component means part of a page. Component means a part of a page. This is one component. 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 And this is one component which I have added now. Okay. Now, such these pages can be created only in the Lightning App Builder. Okay. Let us see how to create one page for us. Okay. Create a home page for Lightning experience. Let us select the home page first instead of app page. So we'll go according to the challenge. So the new home page is new home page. Click on next. Then how you want the your page should be visible. Means like a 3 here and top one, or only one complete region, or standard home like this. In the mobile, you will see like this. Whatever your 3 components you keep now, rich text, cases, series, and records. So you can see in a different mobile tab, and in the PC, you can see in a different way. So according to this one, let's select standard homepage template. Then click on done. So you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4 places to add. basically by default. Then open an empty, then an empty home page opens, ready for you to build it. The components pane contains all the standard components. Okay, let me add it. These are called components. We have standard components. We have custom components as well. Okay. The custom components you can create, or you can download, or you can get from third party like vendors. So there are different ways to get these custom web components. So initially we have few components already ready for us, standard components. Then we can add according to this one. So what is the first component they are asking? Today's events to the lower left region and add key deals to the lower right region. 1 second. Today's events, lower left region. Today's events, lower right region. Okay. Add key deals. Sorry. Key deals. Where is the key deal? Yeah, key deals component. I am dragging and dropping here. Okay, into the page, home page, which we have created just now. Now they're asking to today's task above the assistant. Above the assistant. Where is assistant? Ah, okay. Top right region is in the assistant. Assistant top right. And then we have today's performance to the top left region. Where is performance? Performance. Then the last one they're asking is today's tasks. Today's task is above the assistant. So done. What we have done is we have created a home page just now. Now, just we have created, we have to save it as well as we have to activate it. So activating this page is very important because if you save, this page will be saved as a draft. But if you activate, then only everyone can see you. See the page. Activate this page to make everyone. So this page is not enough to get it out for you. The Lightning pages must be activated before your users can see them. Normally, if you are not done with your pages or you are not ready to make it published, you can click not it. But if you want to activate it, you want to make people see the page you have created, use the page you have created, then you have to activate it. So if you, 1 second, yeah. If you see here, roll out to the custom homepage to your Lightning experience users. So then the home page can be assigned at different layers. Means if you make it as an arc default, now home page is displayed unless more specific assignments are made. Home page is displayed for specified apps and overrides the arc default. Let me show you. You all are there, right? You're following me, right? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
For the Dreamhouse application, what is the home page? This is the home page. Okay. For the service application, what is the home page? Same home page you are seeing, if you see. Okay. For let's say for other application, community, what is the home page? Again, you will see the same home page. Means what is happening here is one home page I have created. I make it as a I made it as a org default. Are you getting my point? If you remember, I clicked on edit page. Then when I have done the activation, okay, I clicked on the org default. Let me remove it as a org default. Okay. Let me save it again. Then let me go back. So for this, there is another thing. There is another thing. For dream house. Again, there is one home page. I think that is made it as an org default. We have to remove that one also as org default. Uh, every app will have the same home page. So it is not org default, but still it is an org default only. Okay. So you understand the home page, no? Home page. That home page is like a first page when you open any of the app. Okay. So you can make any home page as a org default or app default. What is mean by app default is assigned to apps. Which app this home page should use? Let me click on which one? Let's say sales app. Sales app. I want this home page to use. Sales app will be using this new home page. For our understanding, what we do is, let me take a rich text component, web component, and add it on the top and add it and say it. This is special home page for sales app only, not the org default. Activation. Yeah, this is added and close. Save it. Go back. So let me open the service app. Let me open the marketing app. Let me open the community app. Let me open the sales app. This app is having the same one, which is the org default page. This is also org default. This is also org default. But this one, sales app, is using the home page, which we have designed just now. Are you getting my point? While activation, you can select to make it as an org default or to make it as an app default. Whenever you open a particular app, then only this page this page you can see. Are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes.
So this is the specialty of a home page. You can assign to all the apps or you can assign to one app. Okay. Now our work is not this one. Our work is to make this page as a wait. Let me see. What is the challenge? Not challenge. Exactly what they are asking to do. Of default activation. Assign it to. You can make your page the default for everyone in the org, or the default for a single app, or to assign it to one or more app and profile combination. Means if this is the sales app and the person who is watching this page is a sales representative, then you can make one app page, one home page. If the person is manager or the system administrator, then you can make it another page. That's where we say the profile. One second. If you click on again activation, I'll show you. App and profile combination. So we can choose here. I want to choose Dreamos application and sales application. And in the profile, I want to use where is sales profile? Is there a sales profile? Okay, sales profile, I think in another trial head playground I have created. Sales, Dreamos, sales. So Dreamos and sales is the application and system administrator is the profile that this homepage should be visible to. Then I can say it. Are you getting my point? Question? Any question? This homepage will be displayed only for the system administrators. If I add Harmit or Satvik to my organization and I assign any other profile to them, then they can't see this page even though they get into this app. They will see only the org by default home page. For everyone, I created one home page now, that only they can see. This special home page they can't see. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Question? No, right?
No.
They can see this home page, but they can't see this home page because this is only for the system administrators and only for the two apps, the two, Dreamhouse and Sales app. Now, so this is still here. Now assign this home page to system administrator's profile. So you can go look it up afterwards. Means as I am the system administrator, I can edit it, I can see it anytime. So this only we have done till now. So when you see, you can see like this. Sales application. Sorry, sales application. Clear? Any question? Now, it's up to you to create this home page. Okay. Then there is a record page. This is also easy only, but like a little different. Same Lightning App Builder. Click on new. Then what it will open? It will open a Lightning App Builder tool for you. Then select one of the page. Till now we have created a home page. Now we'll see record page. Click on next. So I am creating a new opportunity page for the opportunity object. Means whenever someone opens the opportunity, then suppose let me show you. Now let me open the opportunities. If I open opportunity and open any of the opportunity record, this is the present record page. Here there is a highlights, record highlights. Here there is activity, here there is details, here there is chatter, here there is related account. So there are few buttons here. So this is like a layout with a layout, and this is a record page. Okay. Now let me open. Let me create a new record page for the opportunity object. So it is asking me to select one among these things. So according to this one, let's select header, subheader, right sidebar template. Header, side header, subheader, and right sidebar. This one. Just I am following the steps that have been given in the challenge. I mean, not challenge, in the section. And this is one of the section of the Lightning App Builder module. Now, same again here. You will see what? Components. Okay. Then we will see the details of this page type, record page on the option object, what is the template, what is the name. So that all we will see here. Even you can give the description as well here. Created by Casey, we can say. Now, so from the settings menu, select always show icons. The icons that appear in the palette. One second, let me open that. Always show icon show. So these icons are important. Why means what this icon will tell is this one is available in mobile as well as on the PC. This is only for PC. I mean desktop. This is only for PC. Again, these things are for these components. Whatever these components which are available are for mobile as well as desktop. So that's why if you choose this one, so it's better. Now, highlights panel component in the top right region. See how it works in the component properties pane to find the where the highlights panel content comes from. Let me show you. Add path component, add chatter component, add tabs component. So what are the four components we have to add in the record page newly, which we are creating for the opportunity object? The highlight panel, path component, chatter component, tabs component. Okay, so this is how it will look now. Okay, before it is like this. Okay, before it is like this. Chatter is here, related is here, details is here, activity here. This is the highlights. These are highlights. Now, highlights panel on top right region. Okay, then path region below the highlights panel. Path component is here. Then chatter component here. Then what is the last one? Tabs, I think. It's a tabs. Tabs here. Related tab, detail tab. So whatever the tabs you want to, you can add it here. Now this is done till here. So this is how it is looking. Yeah, this is how it's looking. Yes or no? This is how it is looking now. See how it works in the component properties pane to find out where the highest panel content come from. It's okay. See how it works. No need, no. This one. That you have already done in the Lightning Experience customization topic. How to add the highlights to the compact layout. The tabs components comes with some default tabs already in place. What are those default tabs? Details tab and related tab. Okay. By default, another details tab is added. But because you already have one, change the new one to something else. Let me show you. Click the details tab. What it is saying is, even if you don't have the details tab here, by default, when you click on save, for any of the object, if you create a record page now, there will be a detailed page for sure, because there should be fields that should be visible now. So that's the reason. Now, you click on this one and details. Let me select 1 second. Just something. Add tab here. In the right side, if you click on any of the component, we will get a way to customize the things. So we have two tabs in the tabs component. So let me add another tab. So if you click on that, you'll get this one, details. So click on that one. 1 second. From the tab label drop-down menu, select custom and then give the recent items. Okay, recent items. Custom. Are you able to see the custom? No, right? Where is this custom? Second. Click on the details tab. Then the details tab, click on the tab label. Then choose custom and give the tab a new label. Configuration.
It's at the starting, sir. It is at the starting.
Oh, sure. Okay. So custom label, recent items. Then let's see the filters, if there are any filters that to be added. No. So click on done. So click on save. So when you save it, what they have to do? Activate it. So again, as an org default means for every app, if you open any app and see the opportunity tab, if you open any of that, not only sales and open the opportunity tab, then that record, if you open any of the record in that object, then whatever you are seeing now is this one, chatter, details, activity related. So now when you're creating this one, what you will see? You will see chatter here. This is chatter. This is details. This is related recent items and related and the highlights. And this is path of the opportunity. So this is new one we are creating for which details tab and for which configuration we have to activate, whether for org default or app and profile combination. Let's see. Create an activity tab. First, let's create an activity tab. Once click on done and create an activity tab. Or again, one more tab. Okay. Details tab on the canvas, drag and drop, drag a record detail component right below the details tab. Okay. Let me open this one. Click on add detail. It's an activity, right? Activity tab. Yeah, done till here. Now inside this details tab, we can add one more tab. Oh, sorry, one more component. Component inside a component. This is one component. Now what they're asking? Record detail. Record details are there now. That one they want us to add. If you add it here, so we can see like this. If you just create a detail tab, nothing will happen because fields will not be visible now. These details of that record will be visible only if you add it. Okay. Click on. No, still we have the steps. Add related list component to the related tab. Related list component to the related tab. So I think I have added in the top. Give me a minute. Yeah, now it is in the related tab. Okay. This is a tabs component. In the tabs component, we have created 4 tabs. By default, we got 2 tabs. The other 2 tabs we have added again. Okay. Then inside this details tab, we have added another component now. And inside this related tab, we have added another component, which is the related one. This is a detail related, I mean, sorry, record detail tab, record detail component under the details tab. Now, add this component to the activities tab. Okay, activity component, activities. One second. Activities component to the activities tab. Then what is left now? Select the tabs component on the canvas and in the property change the order of the tabs to detail activities related list and this. Okay. Okay. Recent items. Recent items, I think we didn't add anything. Create tab is done. Is there a step to add a drag a detail components? Let me give me a minute. I'll make like a. I think I lost the power. 1 minute. I'll keep my PC for charging. Create activities tab is done. Related tab, details tab is done. Record detail component. Drag record detail component right below the details tab. Okay. That we have done. Then add related list component to the related tab. Related list. Related list component to the related tab. I think we have added, no? Yeah, this is also
Yes.
done. Then and the recent items component. Recent items component to the recent items tab. Select the tabs and components. Okay, we have to order them. So here, first they are asking us to keep details, then activity, then recent items, then related. Details, activity, related, recent items, and then related. Okay. This is done. You can't draw the tabs inside the component table. Okay, this will make it on activate. So roll out your custom records app pages to users. So which users now? Make the page the org default for the object. Make the page. We have 4 options for activation. For every person, we will make it as an org default for any object. Sorry, for any app, if they open and if they see the opportunity object, every user will see this one. The same options for homepage are also now. So here also same. Make the page the default object record page for lightning apps, for specific lightning apps, like sales, Dreamforce, like this. Combination of lightning apps, record types and profiles, and the page, the font. Okay, this I will show you. Activation. So these two are same, app default and out default. But if you see here, we'll have one more option called record type. This topic we haven't covered it, so we'll understand that one. Record type, what is that one? But for now, just it is also one of the criteria. Okay. So according to this one, click on this one, Then click on assign apps, records and profile. Step through the assignment wizard. Then sales app, desktop and phone as a form factor, the master record type and the system administrator profile. Sales app. Next. Form factor means it will be visible for mobile users or desktop users or both. So we'll select both the users, even if you see in the mobile or even if you see in the desktop. Then only one record type is available. We haven't created any new record types. So the master record type. Now here the profile is system administrator profile. Okay, this is done. Click on save. Review the page assignments. Okay, the new page column is populated with the name of the page. We are activating new. This we have no, because we are very safe. We'll get a new opportunity page here. Now click on save again. We go back. Let me open two apps. One is sales app. One is sales console app.